Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 best side hustle ideas to make an extra $1,000 plus a month in 2022. Money. Who couldn't use a little bit more of it? Whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, trying to pay off debt. Ugh, will those student loans ever go away? Or putting some money aside for a rainy day, a little extra money can go a long way. Your day job might help you pay for the essentials. But a side hustle from home, that's the game changer that'll make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always wanted. So here are the best side hustles that'll help you make more money. What is a side hustle and how do you make money through one? A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9-to-5 job. It allows you to make more money that'll give you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you need or want, and lower any financial worries. Truth is, most 9-to-5 jobs don't pay the bills, especially if you're just starting out in your career. When you calculate the cost of rent, food, bills, and transportation, you might realize that you barely have anything left over. What a bummer! The worst part is that your financial growth is always capped. Maybe you get a bonus of a couple of $100s a year with a 1% salary increase on your $30,000. But is that really enough to live the life you dreamed about? Maybe, but probably not. So you start a side hustle to make a couple extra $100 or $1,000 a month. Something that can either help you make more money today, tomorrow, or 5 years from now. Something that will act as your second income should you. How to make money on the side. 10 great side hustles to pursue. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy any inventory. Why is that great? You don't need to have a big startup costs budget, keeping your risk low. The manufacturer not only carries the inventory, but also ships it directly to the customer for you. Your main focus should be marketing and customer service, the lifeline of the business. If you have a strong marketing background and want a side hustle that plays to your strength, this is it. It's one of the rare side jobs that allows you to scratch a true entrepreneurial itch. You get to be the owner of your very own business. With dropshipping, you can start a business within any of your favorite passions. Do you love stocking your kitchen? You can sell kitchen equipment on the internet. Maybe you found this unique solar-powered, smartphone cooling accessory. You can start your own one-product store and implement these store ideas. If you love doing your makeup, you can sell beauty products and build an audience who follows along to your makeup tutorials. Almost any niche can be pursued with dropshipping. Plus, if you're a creative type, you can run wild with unusual business ideas. After all, as the owner of your own business, you'll always have final say, which makes this a great side hustle to start out. How much money can a dropshipper make? That depends on how much effort you put into your business and marketing. You can make an extra couple $1,000s or more. Dropshipping tip. Want to start your own dropshipping business? Sign up for D-Sir's AliExpress Dropshipping. The D-Sir's app allows you to choose from millions of products that you can start selling on your store today. Plus, it automates several parts of the business process. 2. Start a wholesale business. If you like the idea of running an online business, but would prefer to be a little more hands-on, starting an online store using wholesale could be perfect for you. This business model means you buy products in bulk at a lower price, and then sell at a higher retail price to your customers. Because you're hands-on with your products and suppliers, you're able to keep a close eye on the quality of your products. Unlike dropshipping, you handle the packing and shipping, which means you don't have to deal with one of the downsides of dropshipping, the long shipping times. Instead, you can take advantage of getting those products into happy customer hands faster. 3. Begin freelancing. Does your 9-to-5 job pay fluctuate? If you don't have a predictable income, you might need more money for some months and a little less others. If this sounds like you, you might choose to take up freelance gigs. These could be gigs that you create on Fiverr or the occasional freelance project on Upwork. You might create t-shirt mock-ups for a client one week and help someone build their social media following the next. The type of projects you work on could vary drastically, but if you love the variety and switching things up, This side hustle could be perfect for you. 4. Moonlight as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those side jobs that pay well over the long term. However, you'll need to go through a learning curve before you can start making money with affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right product to sell, but also finding the right brand to partner with. If you chose to be an affiliate marketer for e-commerce stores, your commission will likely be a lot lower than if you were to just dropship them yourself. However, there are tech companies that will pay a hefty price tag to affiliates who bring them new customers. How much money can this side hustle make? It depends on what product you're selling and what affiliate network you use. For example, if you were an affiliate marketer for a tech company like Shopify, you could potentially make an extra $58 for every merchant you refer. That means you could make over $500 with just 10 referrals. Sweet! Affiliate marketing tip. Ask the affiliate program or content creator for assets you can use to help you market their product. For example, there may be a lead magnet or free tool you can use to incentivize people to purchase the product. Oftentimes, a piece of content can help ease a potential customer from a cold lead into a warm one, giving you a better chance of succeeding with this side hustle. 5. Launch a print-on-demand store. If you like to make custom graphics and artwork in your free time, running a print-on-demand store could be a great side hustle for you. Print-on-demand, or POD, allows you to sell your custom artwork on products like t-shirts, bags, phone cases, mugs, and more. The best part about it is that you can create brand. Also, you can completely automate the logistics of the business by choosing to dropship your print-on-demand products. This is where you design products, add them to your store, promote them, and take orders from your customers. The orders are fulfilled by the print-on-demand company that prints your designs onto the products, then ships the items directly to the customer. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.